Ooh. What's up, everyone? Let me show you one of the coolest AI features that our users are absolutely loving. Apollo S Email Writer. AI can definitely churn out a ton of generic stuff that lands straight in the spam folder. Please, if you use it correctly, it can also write highly personalized and genuinely helpful emails. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with Apollo. So, let's set the stage. Imagine I'm a seller from PartnerStack, and I'm reaching out to Apollo's head of partnerships, Jennifer, to book a meeting. Just click Write with AI and then Full AI Email. Instantly, Apollo starts working its magic, taking what it knows about your company and product and applying it to the contact you're reaching out to. And the result? Well, I'd give it a C. This is where the magic really happens. First, we need to add more signals to the email. Under Personalize with Data, I can make this email way more specific to the company I'm contacting. We can add company buying signals, recent news, or even relevant job postings. Neds. You can change the tone to match your brand direct, formal, casual, whatever fits. I'll go with casual. Then, you can provide additional guidelines. This can be anything you want. I have a preset that says, don't use M-dashes. Start with a pain point, explain how we solve it, and keep it short. Now, let's see what Apollo comes up with. It's thinking, referring to our content, and looking at all those signals we just added. And here's the output. That's pretty good. So I'll just type add a PS line and hit regenerate. There it is. A PS line at the bottom. We've helped 300 plus SaaS companies scale partner programs just like yours. Perfect. A little social proof to tie it all together. And just like that, in less than 90 seconds, we've turned that C- email into a solid B. Not too shabby at all. Now, if we wanted to turn this into an A+ email, there's a lot more you can do with dynamic variables and custom AI fields, but that's a video for another time. I just wanted to show you how quickly you can transform a mediocre email into a great one using Apollo's AI. Hope you enjoyed it. Follow for more Apollo AI tips and tricks.